In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Browser Center in Opera browser. This process is straightforward and will ensure that your browser runs smoothly with the latest features and security updates. Keeping your browser updated is essential as it helps protect your online experience and enhances performance. Now let's dive into the steps. First, open the Opera browser. You can do this by locating the Opera icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. The logo is a red O, which is easy to spot. Once you click on it, you will see the browser interface come to life. The page loads, displaying your last visited sites or home page. This is a crucial first step because if the browser is not open, you cannot access the update features. So take a moment to ensure that Opera is running smoothly on your device. Next, click the Opera logo located in the top left corner. This action opens the main menu of the browser. The logo is not just a decorative element. It serves as the gateway to numerous functionalities within Opera. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears, presenting various options. Among these, you will find settings, bookmarks, and importantly, the update options. This step is vital because it leads you directly to where you can manage your browser updates effectively. From there, select Update and Recovery from the drop-down options. This choice is crucial because it directs you specifically to the area where you can manage updates for your browser. Upon clicking this option, you will see a new page dedicated to updates and recovery settings. Here, you can see the current version of your browser and any available updates. This section is designed to keep your browser in optimal condition, ensuring that you have the latest security and feature enhancements. Now, click the Check for Update button. This action triggers the browser to scan for any available updates. You will notice the system performing a check, which might take a few moments. This is an important step because it ensures that you are aware of the most current version available. Regularly checking for updates is a good practice as it keeps your browser secure and functioning properly. Watching this process unfold reassures you that your browser is actively seeking improvements. After that, wait for the system to scan and click Update/Relaunch now if an update is found. This is the moment you have been waiting for. If an update is available, you will receive a prompt to install it. Clicking this button initiates the update process, which may take a few moments as the browser downloads and installs the latest version. This step is crucial because it ensures that your browser benefits from the latest features and security measures. Once completed, you will see a confirmation and your browser will relaunch automatically, ready for use. By following these steps, you ensure that your Opera browser is up to date. This not only enhances your browsing experience, but also keeps your information safer from possible vulnerabilities. Regular updates are essential for any software, and your browser is no exception. Thank you for watching and enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with Opera.